Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare vitamin C and alpha arbutin. We'll explore their unique benefits and help you decide which ingredient best suits your skincare goals. Understanding their distinct mechanisms will empower you to make informed choices for your routine. Let's dive into the science behind these popular skincare powerhouses. Vitamin C, or L-ascorbic acid, is renowned for its antioxidant properties, protecting your skin from environmental stressors. It's a fantastic ingredient for brightening your complexion, fading hyperpigmentation, and promoting a more even skin tone. Furthermore, vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which helps maintain skin's firmness and elasticity. Alpha-arbutin is a powerful skin brightening agent, specifically targeting hyperpigmentation like dark spots and post-inflammatory marks. It works by safely inhibiting tyrosinase, an enzyme essential for melanin production, without causing irritation. This makes it an excellent choice for those seeking to achieve a more uniform skin tone, often with fewer side effects than some other brighteners. Deciding between vitamin C and alpha-arbutin depends on your primary concerns. If you're looking for broad antioxidant protection, collagen boosting, and overall brightening, vitamin C is a strong contender. However, if your main goal is to specifically address stubborn dark spots and achieve a more even skin tone with less irritation, alpha-arbutin might be your ideal choice. Many people even use both for comprehensive results. Remember to check the description for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.